Hey there, good morning. So, my Tuesday rant. I just wanted to kind of share perspective on a few things, and I'm definitely not making this political because I don't get into politics. I completely avoid that. Too much stress. Anyway, um, everything going on right now with us slowly reopening, at least here in New York and other parts of the country. I know a lot of people have their opinions about wearing a mask, not wearing a mask, people not willing to go out. It's so easy to judge other people for what they choose to do, but the reality of it is we just don't know what's going on in people's lives. If somebody chooses not to wear a mask, it's my choice whether I want to go near that person or whether I'm comfortable going near that person. But if that's how they feel, they're allowed to exercise their right and not wear it. I know some people feel like, well, they're endangering us. Maybe, maybe not. We don't really know. I know this virus is crazy, but you just don't know if that person has it. But to ask people to sit and wear a mask all the time, I think some people are just not going to do that. But we can choose not to go near them. We can choose to social distance from that person. But we can't judge them for not wearing it. But at the same time, those people out there that are judging others that do wear it, they can't do that either. Perfect example. My mother has lymphoma. She's really very healthy. She's doing great. But God forbid she gets this virus, her immune system's completely compromised to begin with. So she's scared shitless. And she wears a mask everywhere she goes. She wears gloves. She comes to our house for dinner. She still sits outside 6 feet away. She won't come near us. None of us have been outside, so none of us, I believe, are carriers. But my point is, somebody might look at her and be like, look at that lady wearing a mask. What's wrong with her? These people are crazy wearing masks. You just don't know what the other person's going through, or you don't know somebody's personal story. So all I'm trying to say here is it doesn't matter what you believe. It doesn't matter what you think is safe or not safe. It doesn't matter what you believe is, are we being told to do something? Are our rights being taken away? It doesn't matter. You're entitled to your opinion. That's why this is a free country, and that's why freedom of speech is an amendment and a right, okay? But just be kind. Just be empathetic. Just understand we're all struggling with this pandemic in different ways. We all have our own opinions about it, opinions of the way the government's handling it. Some think they're doing a great job, some think they don't. Some think our governor's doing a great job, some think they don't. It doesn't matter. Everybody's entitled to their opinion. And if we can all learn to just respect each other's opinion and respect each other for the human beings that we are and not for the opinions that we carry, the world would be such a nicer place. So don't judge people. If they're wearing a mask, they're wearing it because they want to and they feel safe. And if they're not wearing it, they feel that they don't need to. And it's okay either way. But don't judge. Just make the decision that's best for you. And if you're concerned or scared of somebody who's just out there and taking no social distancing action, just stay away from them. That's a choice you have. They're not coming after you. They're just choosing to do something that you don't agree with. And vice versa. If somebody's wearing a mask, don't yell at them. Don't start, shit talking them. There was a guy the other day in a Walmart down south that was yelling at somebody for wearing a mask. I mean, it's just so stupid. Like, what is this world coming to? This is the time we need to bond together. So, honestly, everybody, if you're judging people, cut out the bullshit. And just be kind and be nice to others and just understand we all have opinions and we all have reasons for doing what we do. Respect them, respect each other, and the world will be much better and a happier place. And leave politics out of it. Let those other idiots up in Washington figure that shit out. Have a great day.